Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Skiff Drifter Warncliffe blade here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see, what do we have here? We have a very cool size at 7.8 inch overall in length with a 3.2 inch long blade and I would say 4.5 inch long handle. Fantastic size. Let's see why. Because for example, this is the Ontario Rat number 2 and might be too small. Yeah, this is the Ontario Rat number 1 and might be too big. Yeah, that's why you have the Drifter. Same thing we can say for the Spyderco. Para 3 might be too small. Yeah, no problem. You want the Para 2, Paramilitary 2, but what is it, too big? Yeah, go ahead. You can get a Drifter, which is going to be a little bit more expensive than that, but it's going to be the right size. Because, for example, you have Chris Reeve Knives Small Sebenza 21, but then you think, that's too small. I'm going to try the large Sebenza 21. Look at that, too big. That's why they made the Drifter. Yeah, to make you happy, and it's a good one. So let's see, for example, up against a couple of Russians. This is the Custom Knife Factory FIF 20 Philippe Georget design, and this is the Snafu 2.0, also Custom Knife Factory, but Peter Rassenti designed. Two big boys, and both are bigger than this, so keep that in mind. Another couple options I'm going to show you are also a couple of Russians. This is the Shirogorov Neon Zero, and this is the Shirogorov F95R Slim. So very interesting size for the Neon. It's same size of this guy, and it's fantastic, but this guy feels a little bit bigger and chubbier than this one. It's taller, it's heavier, and it's more expensive, of course, but you can see it right here up against the Shirogorov F95R Slim. So what can I show you again, guys? Just a couple more, because I know some of you guys enjoy seeing several knives, some of you don't. I'm just gonna try to show you what I have here, because my collection changes. In fact, this is the Hinder Knives XM18 Flipper Delete Generation 6, beautiful, and Cheburkov Small Strige Carbon Fiber and Damasteel. And in fact, you can see that this is the right spot. We are in the right realm right there. Here we've got Riyadh Tribute over there, and we've got another pretty cool and interesting one. This is the ProTech Malibu, nice button lock. I'm gonna show you also another gorgeous milled out nicely and Damasteel TRE knife, and of course, why not, Hold Bladeworks Spectre Prestige in the house. That's it, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you Koenig Knives Arius, because I need to. And what else can I show you? Just like a couple of gorgeousness that I always like to show you guys. Peter Rassenti Nirvana and Kirby Lambert Rain. All right, so you have an idea. You know by now that this is the right size. It's not like a big boy, it's not a small boy, it's just the right size of a knife. It's fantastic. It's it is becoming one of my favorite, if not my favorite skiff. I tried the Accomplice, the Culprit, and the Drifter. I have to say this is the one that I prefer for many reasons. First of all, like the milling. This wavy milling is astounding. It's just fantastic. Crazy milling lines. I like these two chamfered areas and this flat area in the center, and you see the waviness goes through and creates these two straight lines, which I really appreciate, and they are going on also in the back. Very cool. And of course, you can notice that the waviness goes onto the pivot collar, which is like a separate piece, like this one. They're separate pieces, and this also acts as an over-travel stop bar, but they are beautifully done, and this shimmering teal blue anodization is just it's just beautiful, guys. It's purely gorgeous. Look at that. So 3D milled titanium slabs as scales. You've got a gorgeous, gorgeous blue teal anodized mirror polished 3D milled titanium backspacer matching the hardware and the clip and the pivot colors. You have no internal skeletonization going on, so that's going to reflect a little bit in the weight, but you have some nice milling on the inside. You've got the logo and you've got the drifter and the serial number, which in this case is the 38. You have these scales which are like a joy to watch. Like, just take a second to enjoy. This is crazy. It's so nicely done that is ridiculous. Of course, there's some. It's not perfect. There's a little couple areas of where they can improve. One is this area here. Add, please, a lock face insert, stainless steel lock face insert to reduce lock stick. There's none in this one, but there's a little bit in this one. Just a little bit. Okay, you want to remove the problem, add a lock face insert right over here. You want to improve the ergonomic aspect of your knife, just widen up a little bit this area, okay, so I can slide down my thumb better and I can meet this milled out area here, like for example, like in this case, okay. So you see, you don't need that much, but already rounding off this area, and then naturally the thumb just goes and sit on this part of the lock bar. So that could be a little bit of an improvement. But beside that, yeah, just maybe adding a little bit of jimping here. Everything else, don't touch it, because it's don't fix what's not broken, and just you're gonna get very, very close to perfection knife. I'm telling you. Also, I mean, come on, look at this tip-up carry only pocket clip, beautifully polished and anodized. Your knife is gonna stick out like this much from your pocket. It's not reversible, it's only on this side. You've got a very straightforward disassembly process here, T15, T8 for the handle screw, and boom, you're in business. You can open it up, clean it up, maintain. You're gonna notice that there are a couple of skiff bearings, of course, underneath the hood, to create this really, really smooth action. Really, really good. You've got a CTS XHP steel blade, Warncliffe, mirror polished spine, and look at this wedge. Fantastically done, going up to this and then just climbs down, and you got basically a very, very gentle belly all the way up to the sharpening choil, which is also a finger choil, which is also revealing you how thin behind the edge this guy is. Look at that. This is a crazy slicer, dual tone finish, hand rubs directional satin for the hollow grind primary bevel, and look at the mirror polished flats, and look at this plunge grind, and look at the chamfering going on around the finger choil and around the flipper tab, which I would have preferred a little bit more rounded off and a little bit of jimping going on here, but anyways. The blade is gorgeous, it's sterile looking, it's fantastically done, it's like a piece of art. It's that good, I like it. I really love also like how this is flush with the scale. This area here, it's fantastic. I really like when it's like that, and I really don't like when it's like this. What happened? Where's this chunk of steel? I don't know. I miss it, I want it. So I really love when it's like this. Great job. Yeah, just fix this a little bit, just add maybe a little bit more area here, and we are done. We have something that is truly spectacular. From the sound point of view, clack, and click, and clack, and click. Yes, it's that good. This is quality sound. This is really a fantastic one. It's expensive, I know, it's $900, but the quality is there. The fit and finish, it's there. The attention to the detail, it's of course here. Also, you can feel that this is a good one because it's 4.4 ounces, so it's not like a super lightweight, but you feel there's some density, some quality. When holding in the hand, you know that there's something going on. Again, there's no hot spots. Feels great in the hand. No sharp edges. Lack of jimping here, yes, and here, yes. But you've got a great traction, great grippy texture for the handle. It's not going to be slippery anyways. You can do, if you want, like a reverse grip, but for me it's a little bit on the small size, but it's fine. The choke up grip is fantastic. Just a little bit of jimping here and boom, we have a stunner. We have like almost like a perfect blade. The feeling you have here in the finger choil is great. It's so smooth and pleasant to use that you are going to end up choking it up, like, for sure. Secure grip. It gives you like a great solidity feeling in your hand. It feels super strong. I mean, backspacer, it's going to create some pretty strong and sturdy structure to the overall frame of this knife. Really, really good. Clip ramp is fantastic. If you notice, like, another little detail, for example, the clip ramp is resting on a flat area, not milled out. So when you slide this in and out of your pocket, it's not going to shred your pockets, it's not going to shred your pants, and it's not going to get stuck or get snagged into the fabric, because look at that. The area, it's flat, it's not milled out, so it's smooth just on that area for your pocket. It's not to shred anything in your pocket, so really, really cool. Great grip release, tension, perfect pocket clip ramp, really, really good. Deployment speed, fast. Finger soreness, a little bit if you do like push button like that, of course. Look at this. It works, it deploys like fast, but after 10 times it's gonna hurt your finger. So just stick with your light switch like that, you're gonna be good to go, because super smooth area. Nicely chamfered, very, very soft. So just do that, you're gonna be good to go. Of course, this guy is running on Skiff bearings, which are ceramic ball bearings, which are caged into a bronze or brass, I'm not sure, cage, which looks great and gives the knife this smooth action. Detent strength, strong, and it's the right. This is a detent. This is what I'm talking about when I'm saying this is a good detent. Nice kickback when the blade hits the stop pin. You can't really touch the tip of the blade because it's protected by the backspacer right over here. No rattling when closed, everything is firmly in place. The lock bar, it's relatively easy to disengage, but I would have preferred a little bit more area over here. In this case, there's no lock stick, even if there's no stainless steel lock face insert. Detent ball ramp is how you're supposed to design a detent ball ramp, like this. Smooth from the moment when the ball touches the tang of the blade till the moment when the detent ball is on the tang of the blade. That's how you do it. No hard step. We don't like that. We like smoothness. We like this action, gliding close action. We like free fall. We like the smooth guillotine. And this is how you do like a very cool knife, like great looking, fantastic milling, great blade shape, awesome ergos, fantastic sound. It's just gorgeous, guys. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.